Very thankful lang ako talagang every time pag lumalabas ako. Lord, thank you for giving me this chance, this opportunity to be on this stage. Kasi nung after 2013, pag nanonood ako ng mga Miss Universe pageant, parang ako, I will never be on that stage na, wala na akong chance. Pero nung nandun na ako at that moment, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Talaga, totoo ba to, Lord? Am I dreaming? Punch me. Gisingin mo ako if this is a dream. Pero sobrang saya ko kasi. Kaya siguro napakabilis lang sa akin tanggapin lahat ng mga nangyari. Do you think it's the gown? Ay, hindi ko kasi alam kasi minsan ang bilis ng pangyayari, ilang second lang kami lumalabas ng stage eh. Minsan baka napahapyaw lang ng tingin sa'yo ang judge, hindi ka nakita agad, hindi agad na-appreciate yung performance mo, or minsan wala lang silang chance to change their score kasi it's a computerized type of judging. What if they have given high scores already to the first few girls and wala nang chance sa'yo dahil nasa in the middle ka na, in the last ano ka na. So, ang daming pwedeng possible factors kung bakit hindi ka na-include. So, who am I to say na it's the gown or it's my performance or it's just me or maybe it's just my destiny to not be there. Kasi baka kinain ko na yung amplifier ko nandun pa ako. Pero I am really positive with the whole experience and masaya ako. I admire all the Filipino designers. Sobrang we had the best talents here in our country. But then again, we should always remember that Miss Universe is franchise-owned. So, kung paano man yung pamamalakad nila, I would respect to that. Kasi ako, I applied for the job, they got me, they are my boss. So, kung ano man yung sabihin nila na, eto yung gagawin mo, ako, I would follow. Kasi I'm here to submit myself to the people who owns the franchise. Sobrang sad ko na, sabi ko, what? Hindi ko akalain na na nangyari pala yun recently dito. So ako, I just wanted to pray for all the families who lost a member of their family. I know how hard it is. Last month, nawalan kami ng Padre de Familia. And pag yung Padre de Familia yung nawala sa pamilya, parang pilay na agad yung feeling mo. So, I really believe that God has a plan, has a purpose, and hindi sila papabayaan na masusurvive nila to. And there are a lot of people and Filipinos that are willing to support and help them.